What up, Jeep peeps? What up, Gladiator gang? Happy Thanksgiving. We are back with another video, and today our plan is to remove the stock rock rails and install some new side steps that I purchased from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. They are made from Tiger. So the first thing that we're going to do is remove these rock rails first. And as you know, I'm not mechanically inclined, so today I've got my hubster helping me. And we're going to go under here and just kind of show you what we need to do. So there are several bolts on there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these bolts that have to come off first, along with some other smaller bolts to get you up in there. Ooh, the sun's right in my face. These little bolts as well. All right, so we're going to start with these. Let's do it. One came off pretty easy, didn't it? Okay, on to the next. So basically that's what we'll do. We'll take these off and then I'll come back real quick when we have them totally off and show you that afterwards. So we will be right back. Hey everybody, we are back. We have just taken the rock rails off of the Jeep Gladiator. It actually took less than 10 minutes. So here, I'll just show you here. Sorry for the shadow. So we took these off on both sides, and I was recommended to use these buckets to hold up the new one. So we'll go ahead and get this out of the way. Can you help me get this out of the way? The hubster, he's gonna help me out today. Let's just set this over here for right now. Okay, all right, so what we did is that we went ahead and prepped the step rails and all the parts. So we laid them out. As you can see here, we've got all the brackets. And I'm sorry for the shadows, but it's sunny out. So I highly recommend this, getting all your brackets together for both sides. And then also our handy dandy tailgate came in handy because when they sent the parts, they put them all in one friggin' bag. They didn't even separate the shit. So anyways, so we utilized our Jeep bed for all the parts. Highly recommend this. Get these all ready and out and prepared, so we can just go ahead and slap that up. So that's what we're going to work on next. So we're going to get these ready and we will be back momentarily. See you in just a sec. And bam, we have step rails installed. I think they came out really good. I think they look really beefy and chunky, kind of like the owner. That's why I got them. But anyways, I highly recommend getting the right tools. First of all, Rob and I did not have the correct tools, so it took a little longer. And again, it was Thanksgiving and we were running back and forth and trying to cook. But anyways, it took some patience. There was a lot of swearing, a lot of throwing, you know, but we got them on, and honest to God, they look amazing. I'm really impressed with them. So here's the other side. So yeah, just really dig them. So once again, I'll put the description down below where I got these. They again were recommended to me by a member of our Jeep Gladiator group on Facebook, so appreciate that. All right, so that is going to do it for this video. Appreciate you taking the time. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, help your buddy Jeff out. You can follow me on Instagram at my_Mojave. That's just going to be all about the Jeep Gladiator Mojave, or just my regular Instagram, BeachBear71. All right, so until the next video, take care of yourselves, and we'll see you soon. Peace out.